Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Uppercase, U. Lowercase, U. Uppercase, V. Lowercase, V. Uppercase, W. Lowercase, W. Uppercase, X. Lowercase, X. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, U. Lowercase, U. Uppercase, V. Lowercase, V. Uppercase, W. Lowercase, W. Uppercase, X. Lowercase, X. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for vacuum. V for violin. W for whale. W for watch.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
X axe. X fox. Uppercase, U. Lowercase, U. Uppercase, V. Lowercase, V. Uppercase, W. Lowercase, W. Uppercase, X. Lowercase, X. Please like and subscribe to my channel.